Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends. Today I'm going to discuss about perfect square, square roots, and absolute value equation. Let me introduce myself. I am Intan Puspita Sari. I'm from Mathematics Education of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. UHAMKA. The purpose of today's presentation is to explain about perfect square, square root, and absolute value equation. Let's get started!
The first presentation start by perfect square. What is the perfect square? Perfect square, it is a number made by squaring whole number. For the example, 2 square equals 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 square equals 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 square equals 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 square equals 5 times 5 equals 25. And the last, negative number. How to negative number? We can also square negative number. Example, what happens when we square minus 5? The answer, minus 5 times to minus 5 equals 25. Why? Because a negative give a positive. When a positive times a positive give a positive. The second, square root. To square a number multiplied by itself. For the example, a value that can be multiplied by itself to give original number. 3, because when we multiply 3 by itself we get 9. 3 square 9 and 9 square root 3. This is goes the other way. The last, absolute value equations. Do you know about absolute value equation? In this definition, we are going to think of determine P as the distance of P from the origin on a number line. Also, we will always use a positive value for distance. Consider the following number line. The notation for the absolute value of P is determine P. From this, we can get the following value of absolute value. Determine 2 equals 2. Determine minus 3 equals 3. Determine 9 over 2 equals 9 over 2. All that we need to do is identify the point on the number line and determine its distance from the origin. Not as well that we also have determined O equals O. Mathematical definition. We can also give a third mathematical or formula definition for absolute value. It is determine P equals P if P more than O and minus P if P less O. This is tell you to look at the sign of P, and if it's positive, we just drop the absolute value bar. If P is negative, we drop the absolute value bar and then put in the negative in front of it. So let's see a couple of quick examples. Determine 4 equals 4 because 4 more than O. Minus 8. Determine minus 8 equals minus times to minus 8 equals 8. Why? Because a minus 8 less O. Determine O equals O because O more than O. Note that this gives exactly the same value as if we use the geometric interpretation. One way to think of absolute value is take a number and make it positive. In fact, we can guarantee that determine P more than O, regardless of the value of P. We do need be careful, however, to not misuse either of this definition. For example, we can use the definition on minus x, determine minus x. Why? Because we don't know the value of x. Also, don't make the mistake of assuming that absolute value just make a minus sign into plus sign. In other words, don't make the following mistake. Determine 4x minus 3 not equal to 4x plus 3. This just it's true. If you are sure that believe that, then put in number for x. Maybe enough. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.